Today guys, we'll be taking on the brand new Redmi Note 12 Pro and I'll be showing you ang aking unboxing and first impression netong phone na ito right after this quick intro. So hi guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So as we all know na si Redmi Note 12 Pro is a big step up from the Redmi Note 11 Pro. So last year, alam natin, it's a little bit of a letdown. So pagdating sa processor, pagdating sa camera performance, it was really much of a letdown. But this year, they got back on track with the latest offering na Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. So you can see the usual box ni Redmi, ganito ang itsura niya. And nandito nakaprint Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. And on the side, there's always the with your favorite Google apps, and Google is a trademark of Google LLC. Underneath, we can see that this one is a midnight black color, 8 gigs of RAM, and 120 gigs of storage. Tabuksan natin. Redmi by Xiaomi. What's inside? SIM ejector tool. We have your soft jelly case, quick start guide, safety information, and warranty card. So here's the phone itself. So this one has a Sony IMX766 as its camera sensor. So my OIS siya, so definitely expect something. So expect some good photos from this one. 67 watts of fast charging, and of course 5,000 mAh of battery. Definitely this one is good. 120 Hz na AMOLED display, and Dimensity 1080. Doon pa lang guys, it's much of a step up as compared to last year. But before that, let's see what's inside. So we have our A to C cable, and of course our 67 watts of fast charging brick. And I can say itong kanyang color, the midnight black, is very nice, similar to that of the Xiaomi 13 Pro na ceramic back. Ang kanyang likod is very shiny, so definitely expect a lot of fingerprints, but ang kanyang likod is definitely very good looking. We have your camera setup dito sa likod, 50MP na Sony IMX766. And on underneath, nandiyan ang kanyang loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course SIM tray. Sundutin muna natin. Nakita natin, there's only 2 SIM na pwede ilagay, nano SIM, na 5G, and there's no SD expansion, micro SD expansion. So on this side, it's pretty clean. So sa ibaba, nandiyan kanyang audio jack, loudspeaker, noise cancelling mic, and of course kanyang IR blaster. And on the other side, you can see kanyang fingerprint scanner / power button, and of course ang kanyang volume rocker. Then sa harap, kita natin kanyang punch hole is pretty small, and ang kanyang mga bezel is not that thick either. Swiping left and right is definitely okay. Of course, 120 Hz ba naman ito. So you can choose kanyang refresh rate, either go for default, or you can choose either from 60 or 120. Of course, lagyan natin 120. You can always choose yung kanyang color scheme dito, either go for vivid, saturated, or standard. And you can always calibrate your color gamut options. Now, one of the first things na chinecheck ko dito is, of course, browsing on social media, be it on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or, of course, Twitter. Okay, very fast dahil sa kanyang high refresh rate. And here are some teaser photos na nakuha ko from outdoors. Definitely, I can say it's really nice. Selfie shots is definitely nice. I can say it was able to perform. Now guys, if you're interested to know more about this phone, si Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G, I'll be doing a full review on this one pretty soon. And of course, stay tuned sa launching na itong phone na ito on April 13. Just check out the official page ni Xiaomi Philippines. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads ko from this channel. And so ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?